Good morning, everyone. This is Kusina Dinida. I'm here again cooking the lunch for my buddy in the house. So they are not home, so I cook early. So they don't want to waste their time when they get home. So this is I prepared to them. I have a paksiw na sapatero. Then also I had what do you call that now? The tabungaw, tabungaw, with sardines. So, gisa ako ng tabungaw with sardinas. Ito ang ulam namin ngayon sa pananghalian, guys. Pagdating ng mga amo ko, luto ng pagkain nila. Silang amo ko ngayon. Okay, guys? Okay. So now, I will show you guys again later the process when it done. So this one, the adobo, paksiw ng sapatero, suka lang, bawang sa kaluya. That's it. Ito naman, niluto kong tabungaw, upo, sabi nila, may liga, sardines lang ang nilagay ko, kamatis, sibuyas, luya. And that's it, guys, okay? This is yummy. For my employee over here, they're lucky. Alright, okay, thank you guys. Yep, this one is already done. My fish. So, alright, thank you.